Hi, very good evening, dear students. We have come live to share a very good news with all of you regarding grace marks for foreign medical graduates December examination, December 2020. So, Dr. Dinesh, I request you to please update all our students and the audience about this new decision by the court.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, all our foreign medical graduates who are watching this show and who will be watching it in future. So it is again a good news, a positive news from the Indian judiciary, from the High Court this time. There are a series of cases that are planned, that are put forward to the Indian judiciary, and one of those cases, I hope you all remember, is regarding the wrong question that was there in December 2020. So yes, it was regarding that MMR, and the court has today declared that that one mark to be awarded to all the candidates, those who have marked the option incorrect. Okay, so you should, like, it is a very good news. The question was regarding sample registration system does not include MMR, IMR, BR, and DR were the options, and those who have marked the question incorrectly, they will be awarded one mark. And you will be like, if you have scored 149 and you did not mark it correct, so this is a good news for you. Now your marks will be considered as 150. You will be awarded that one extra mark. And uh, all the students who could not clear December 2020 exam and scored 149, so I hope it is a good news for all of you. So the court has today finally declared that one mark for SRS wrong question will be awarded to all the students, to all the candidates who could not mark it correctly. So today it was like, the judgment read as follows. I'm just telling you how the judge said that for the reasons aforesaid, the writ petition is partly allowed in the above terms. The respondent, that is NBE, is directed to treat the disputed question set out in paragraph 4 as deleted from foreign medical graduate examination of December 2020, and to award one extra mark to those candidates who are assessed as having answered it incorrectly. तो अगर आपका वो incorrect आपने mark किया था and you were not given mark for that particular question, so now you will be provided one mark extra for that. In this event, any candidate who does achieve the passing score of 150, they would be treated as having passed the FMGE December 2020. As recorded in the order dated 7th May 2021, it is made clear that the petitioner is free to agitate the other issues sought in the writ petition in appropriate proceedings. Pending application also stands disposed of. No orders as to costs. NB shall release the notification within 4 weeks. तो आज के एक महीने के अंदर आप सभी के मार्क शीट्स या फिर स्कोर कार्ड जो है वो रिलीज हो जाएंगे विद फ्रेश मार्क्स. तो अगर आपने 149 स्कोर किया है और उस क्वेश्चन का आपने रॉन्ग आंसर मार्क किया था, so now you will be awarded that one extra mark because of that question, and you will be considered pass for your December FMGE in 2020. So इसके रिगार्डिंग काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं हमारे पास. Like there is one more court case which is pending in Supreme Court, which is regarding your decreasing of your pass percentage. So I think this is a ray of hope, a positive approach or a positive news from Indian judiciary, where they are inclined to think about the foreign medical graduates at last. And we hope that in the coming proceedings of the Supreme Court, our next petition, which is regarding your decreasing of pass percentage, will be also heard and the result will be positive. But the result of June 2021 was a bit disappointing. It was expected to have a result of 35 to 40%, but in the end, the passing percentage was somewhere around 24%. with only 4,200 students roughly passing the exam, and 12,800 students could not pass this exam. And most shockingly, around 1,400 students could not appear. They were absent from the exam due to n number of reasons. So we are planning to like write to NBE regarding what you say regarding the students who could not appear in the exam because of lockdowns or COVID or something like that. So their exam fee should be considered in the next part. And this is regarding the question which was wrong, the MMR question. I hope you all remember the sample registration system does not include, the options were MMR, IMR, BR, and DR. And so if you could not mark it correctly, you will be awarded 1 mark for this incorrect question. And if you scored 149 in your December FMGE exam, you will be given 1 mark for that. And NBE should release this notification within 1 month from today. So that is all. Priya, if you have anything else or we have any questions.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Dinesh. There are many questions in the chat box, so just we will start that. The first question is by Rajesh Sahu. Sir, only 1 mark for those who got 146. What about those?
See, that case is still pending, and the reduction of pass percentage uh, will be heard by Supreme Court in this coming week. So that final date will be out, and we will let you know about the outcome of that. Right now, the case was regarding that one wrong question in December 2020 foreign medical graduate examination, and the court has considered that, and 1 mark is being awarded to all the candidates who marked that question incorrectly, who did not get a mark for that question. And those who have scored 149 will be considered pass, but not all. Again, the court has told that if you have marked that question incorrectly and you did not receive a mark for that question, then only a mark will be awarded, and you will be considered pass. So anybody who reaches 150 after getting this marks, so will be considered as passed in the December 2020 foreign medical graduate examination.